right, everyone. This is now take number 4. We're looking at the pound. I'm sorry, we're looking at the yen. And if you will, let's do a quick recap here. We had our radical change plus our close in the top half. That forms a hammer. And then we waited for our 4 bars. We got our trading range and then our breakout. Breakout was fast and furious, although short-lived. So eventually stopped out right about there. That was only about 50 pips or so. So that was a very low-risk trade. And then today, the yen, the Asian session, or the Asian currencies in general, have fallen out of bed. In other words, they've gained a lot of strength against the U.S. dollar here. I did find some theories right around 10 o'clock Eastern time of why the yen was selling off. I'm not that concerned with those. In one of my earlier renditions of this video, I was talking about them. Wound up going on a wild tangent. The best thing I can tell you is this. You are going to experience, as you watch this stuff, the effect of news and the effect of how traders digest that news as you watch these charts. So just remember, when the professional traders are talking about the markets, they are going to try their dead level best to suck as many traders into positions as possible. So if you go back and look at the news through this area, I'm sure it was very, very dollar bullish, probably yen bearish, getting people sucked into the long side, especially as the market went through this period here, where there was a dramatic up move on the yen. So what you're going to see here is the market turning a bit more negative in relationship to this price. Okay, that's the most important thing, is price, and you can see prices dropped through our earlier 2 hands. So we have 2 levels for going short. Right off of this low and right off of that low. There are a couple of other areas, if the yen does get underway, as it were, to the downside. Right here we have 112.61 and then 111.61. Both of these are points, are hands, at which we can go short again. So you can see pretty close to where the market is now. I've only got about 36 pips to the downside before 37 pips before we hit that. Remember, it's 1 tick below this. But then we've got a ways to go before we hit this one. But 2 waypoints that are already on the charts that are valid sell signals as we start to move through this thing to the downside. Remember, though, conservative traders at this point, you're waiting for a hand. Aggressive traders, you've got a couple of shorts right here, a couple of shorts over here. For the conservative trader, we would want to see 2 days where the market has retraced. That would make a hand right here. So then as it breaks through and starts moving down, we have another buy point. Still remembering that we have a hand on the upside in case the market gets there.